For SharePoint, there's a lot of content that we provide as part of VisualSP. So whenever you go to a document library, a page, wherever in SharePoint, you'll see lots of good content that's already available. Of course, everything can be customized or deleted or changed or unpublished. Choice is yours. Now, having said that, all the content here is not visible to all the users, only dependent on the permissions of the user that's signed in is going to give the appropriate content. So depending on if they're full control, designer, contributor, etc. Let me show you, for example, the delete a file help item that's already there. I'm going to enable edit mode and see how it is configured by default. So going into it, the last section here talks about the SharePoint permissions scope. And in here, if I click on view permissions, currently there, of course, all these different permissions that are present. Currently, it's only saying that if you have the delete list item permission, then you would have access to delete a file, which makes sense. Now, having said that, you can customize yourself if you wanted to with very specific permission, or just make it easy and pick a permission level, saying that if a person has full control, they can do that. If they have design controls, they can do certain things. And as you can see that when I pick certain things, the permissions change accordingly, which you can change here if you wanted to also. So a very deep integration with SharePoint permissions and how you can show help items from VisualSP to certain people and not show it to others. They won't even know that it exists.